everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. Today is a special collaboration with Olga Sobey from Smart Art Materials. We are swapping techniques and we're going to take a beautiful picture for the color inspiration and we are going to hopefully create something super cool. So let's paint. All right, hello everyone. Thank you for coming back for another video. This one is going to be so much fun. I am doing a collaboration with Olga Sobey from Smart Art Materials. She does these beautiful open cup pours, and so what we decided to do is to take a picture that, or a photograph that really inspired us. And I'll talk about which picture we chose, but we decided to take that picture, pull the colors and inspiration from that picture, and then swap techniques. So that's why I'll be doing the open cup pour that she does. And make sure that you check out Olga's channel and her video as well. I'm excited to see what techniques she chose and what how she kind of, picked her colors. So the photograph, I can't show it in the video. I'm gonna link it below only for copyright reasons because this is an actual photographer that took this picture. And his name is KJP, so it's Kyle James Patrick. And I will link him down below. He's well known on Instagram, and the picture took my breath away. It's this cottage covered in flowers and pumpkins, and so that's where I got the inspiration for my colors tonight. So I'm using a yellow gold, cadmium orange, a primary magenta, an aqua green, and a red orange that I mixed out of permanent red and cadmium orange. And then my purple I made from primary magenta and phthalo blue together. And the more magenta you add to this, the warmer this purple will be. I really like this color. It's gonna dry a little bit darker, and I'm using Floetrol and Gloss Medium as my pouring medium. So I'm gonna spread the colors, spread this base out. And I did see one little from the edge there. All right, let me give this a torch too. A lot of air bubbles. Okay, so I want you to tell me, while I'm stretching this out, what inspires you about this time of year. For me, it's the colors of the leaves changing and the fact that it gets a little bit cool in Florida. And by a little bit cool, I mean like 65 degrees. But you better believe people are out and about in like their, snow gear in Florida when it hits 65. So I like that. In October, Halloween is always fun. And it's just, I feel like this time of year is like a time for friends and family, All right, so I hope I do Olga proud on this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start layering my colors. I'm going to pour a little bit more of the base down just so that it can flow nicely. All right, and I'm gonna pour the colors down the center, and then I'm gonna torch it and then tilt it out. Now there's no silicone in these. This is just regular paint and pouring medium, and I'm hoping to get some cells and lacing just because of the technique itself and the density and pushing the paints kind of underneath each other. So I'm gonna start right here. So Olga is such a sweet person. She is such a supportive artist as well. And she is one of the co-authors with me and Rinska Downa for our online acrylic pouring course. I love both of those ladies. They're super creative, super fun, and just very supportive. Okay, I'm trying to think of what color I want to go next. Maybe the magenta? I can already start to see the colors coming out of the sides. And then as well, I'm gonna be doing another My Empty Wall collaboration with Runska soon. Okay, so next, I don't know if I wanna go ahead and tilt this out and maybe use the other colors in the next one. Maybe I'll just do a little bit more of this lighter orange on top. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull up this edge right here because I don't want that to like, and then I'm just going to drag it on along. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. Ooh, I hope this works out. Now I'm gonna go this. A little bit more of the magenta. I don't know, maybe a little bit more of that fiery red. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this one on along. I'm really just skimming the surface. Okay, it's this part right here. I wish I'd kind of skimmed it. I don't know if I want to do it now. Maybe I'll just, ooh, what do I do? Oh, that purple and that turquoise together. I don't know, do I do one more right through the center here? Or do I just kind of leave this be? Oh man, that's difficult. Maybe I just do one more? Oh, I don't know. Let me torch and see what happens. What do I do? I think I'm gonna start right here and drag it right through there in the center. And I'm gonna go back to the turquoise. Because I really liked that color combination. Oh, I hope I didn't mess this up. Oh no, did I mess that up? Okay. That will be tilted off, so I'm okay with that. Oh, I hope this is gonna stretch out to be something pretty. Okay, let's try. You won't know unless you try, right? I hope that I had enough paint on there as well to really kind of stretch this out. But I think I'll be good. I think I'm gonna leave a little bit of negative space on the corners. Moving it down here. I really like that turquoise side, so I don't want to do too much to that. And I don't like that little snake head there that I ended with, so I think I'm gonna change. I think I'm gonna tilt that off. Okay, I am gonna bring that back just a little bit and I love it. All right. I will show you up close the different cells that are in here that came from absolutely no oils whatsoever. And that was just regular US Floetrol that I used. I'm gonna stretch this back down this way just a little bit. Maybe just a little bit off that side and then back this way. Okay. So if you ever want to stretch just a certain part of your painting, I wanted to stretch this part right here, but kind of not have these cells go wonky. So if you just stick your hand up underneath, when you tilt, you will kind of control where you want that stretch to go. But this is very abstract. It's very cool. The purple reacted really pretty. I think it's gonna dry really well. It's got some lacing up here. The turquoise and the orangish red color interacted really well. I love the cells that came down this side. I'm really happy with this piece. Well, I hope that Olga likes it too. I hope I did her justice there. All right, so let me take you down. Let me wipe up. Look at me. Look at me. Let me take you down and let me show you. Here, this is, I think I like it. Look at the cells and the colors that are in this. Oh, wow. Wow. No silicone. Just using the actual reactions of the paint itself. No Australian Floetrol, no nothing. I think this is really cool. Well, Olga, I hope you like it. This is a tribute to you and your beautiful open cups. Let me see, I'll have to figure out which way I actually like it, want it to go. Well, thank you for watching, and I will show you the dried result. That purple dried so dark, but in person, you can still see it's a really pretty purple. And I love how the aqua created like that even more purple line that's there. It dried really nicely. And again, these aren't like the exact colors you think of with fall, but that's why it's fun to take a picture for inspiration and to take those colors and create something different. Because if you would have said, make a fall painting, this would not have been what I would have come up with, you know? Oh, that looks like 3D right there. So cool. I love this part right here. But anywho, there you go. Thank you so much, Olga, for collaborating with me. I really enjoyed this one. Make sure you check out the photographer's Instagram and Olga's video as well, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy painting. Bye.